Howdy y'all, welcome to ProTrucksPlus.com. My name is Justin and today we're checking out a 2006 GMC W4500. This is a debris dump truck. It's got a 12-foot dump bed on it and everything is in good working order. All the panels are in good shape, all the latches are in good shape. It's got good rubber on it, got two lowboy boxes, big ones. And let's see. It's got a 6-liter gas motor, GM 6-liter. Really great motor, a lot of power, very reliable, easy to maintain, and they last a long time too. And this is the upgraded cab forward setup. Really nice looking rig, represent you and your company really well. Check out the interior real quick. This is a really surprisingly upgraded model. The interior is really nice and clean. It's got some heavy duty seat covers that look nice, comfortable seating for 3. We've got power windows and locks there. We got cruise control. We have AC and currently it's running. It's really cold and brisk. And it's got a CD player and AM/FM radio, of course. You got a glove box over there and you got a vent up top. A really nice cab all around and it's clean. One that's proud to own. Be proud to show up in someone's job site on. I'll take it for a spin real quick. These 6-liter motors are really awesome. It's a dually chassis. I'll find out the GVWR for you guys so you know what sort of payload you'll be working with. It runs strong and smooth just like you would expect from one of these. Got my hand off the wheel. It's tracking perfectly straight right now. It's braking straight and strong. Rotors feel smooth. Front end is tight. This one's ready to be put to work. This is a one-owner unit. It was owned and maintained by a corporate construction company. So they had their own mechanics, fleet maintenance. Very well done. Just a really great truck. So if you got an application for this, we've got a truck for you. I love working out of these too. These are great rigs. We're located in Livermore, California. Our phone number is 925-449-4747. Be sure to call and make an appointment to check this out. I'm going to have this stored at our facility and we'll bring it out to the office for you to check out should you choose to buy it. Horn works. Really nice ride. Let's go see if I can manage popping the cab up. Show you the hydraulics work here. Fully functioning. It goes up really, really far too, by the way. That wasn't nearly as far as it can go. It's near vertical. There you go. And I'll get the cab. I'll set you down. What's up, bud? That was probably bad for the door pin. My bad. There you go. Real clean motor. Nice 6-liter. Nice. Good tread on the tires there. Check that out. Nice commercial tires. Give you good gas mileage. Real sturdy ride. No wobbling to and fro. www.protrucksplus.com. My name's Justin. Please give us a call if you have any further questions. Our phone number is 925-449-4747. Otherwise, thanks for hanging out.